Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the search section we have to scroll and find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 1 hour and 24 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than the camera. We can basically tap on this graph and we will be transferred to this dashboard where we can check the screen time in particular days of the week. We can also compare them. You can just tap on view all, and here we've got the list of apps which we've been using with the specific time we've spent on them. We've got also the notifications and unlocks count, and here we've got also weekly reports. Just by tapping on this, let's say, data icon. Here we've got most used app categories. And here you can also set the screen time goal, so it will help you to manage the screen time. You can just set the time for how long you'd like to use the screen in particular days. So for example, here we've got 15 minutes, we can set 1 hour 30 minutes, so totally up to you. And here you've got also the timers, so you can set a timer for a specific app. So for example, if you decide that you're spending too much time on maybe Instagram or any other app, I don't know, it's totally up to you. You can set a timer, so you can set the app timer name. You can select the specific app and then add a schedule, so you can choose specific days of the week. You can choose how much time you'd like to spend on using this specific app, and then your device will do it. Maybe let me show it to you. Let me find, I don't know, it could be gallery. So just tap on done. We've chosen gallery. We do not have to add the timer name. I will choose, so here we've got each day marked. You can untick it just by tapping on it, and I would like to set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes, which means that I shouldn't be able to use it at all. So just tap on save. We've got it set, so let's try to find the gallery, and as you can see, it is a little bit blacked out. And after tapping on it, we've got this information that the timer has been run out and we cannot really use it today. We can obviously change the timer, but still here we've got the very first notification that we really shouldn't enter this app at all. So hopefully it will help us with managing our screen time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.